in an attempt to reach out to the remote areas of Nepal and get as many as injured patients on board. Every Indian Air Force Mi-17 helicopter is making as many as 4 to 5 landings in every aerial sortie. You can see we are on board one such Indian Air Force Mi-17 helicopter, which is now taken around 30 injured patients who require urgent medical attention. You can see some infants, some kids and senior citizens, women and people who have suffered fractures in their hands and legs. They need urgent medical attention. Now this Mi-17 helicopter with around 30 injured patients on board is heading towards Kathmandu. We made around 4 to 5 landings from at the location as far as 125 kilometers from Kathmandu to get these patients. Let's try and speak to an Air Force officer, Neeraj Pandeyji. Neerajji, there are 25 to 30 such patients who have managed to apply. We made around 4 to 5 landings in order to get maximum people on board. What is the procedure and what is the standard operating procedure you are following? Are you trying to take more people on board? Is every Indian Air Force helicopter making so many landings to get maximum people on board?
We actually concentrate on our operating limitations, and as per our operating limitations, as many as we can carry, we try to accommodate the people. As you can see inside the cargo compartment, there is not a single inch is left for the people to sit inside.
Okay. There are few infants. In fact, when we were making few landings in the remote areas, around 125 kilometers, there were patients who were not even able to come till the base helipad, and so that we can accommodate them. It's extremely crucial, and some of these patients are critical. They need quick medical attention.
We make maximum effort to land as close as to the victims, and so we can get them inside and take to the Kathmandu so that they can be treated as soon as possible.
Okay, but these are not easy landings. There are some of the remote helipads, and these are like terrain, mountain terrain, extremely complex location to land and pick up these.
We do all recce's first. Thereafter, we go to the helipad and find the suitability of that. Then only we attempt to land. And if we are able to land, we land. Otherwise, we try to find out some place nearby to that where we can make approach. As our helicopter is big, so it needs big space.
Okay, certainly. So attempts are being made to make as many landings as possible in the remote areas to lift these seriously injured patients who need urgent medical attention. In fact, in the very sortie I am in, it's made around 4 to 5 landings in the remote areas from where the infants, women and senior citizens have been lifted and now being taken to Kathmandu. So as I mentioned, all the Indian Air Force Mi-17 helicopters are making as many landings as possible in order to get maximum injured patients on board so that they can be taken to Kathmandu hospital and given urgent medical attention. With cameraman Sanjay Ranjit, this is Ashish Singh from on board Indian Air Force Mi-17 helicopter. Good times now.